Here's a 2019 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. V8 engine, 4-wheel drive, engine auto stop start feature, trailer brake controller, integrated navigation system, Wi-Fi hotspot, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, express open sliding and tilting sunroof, electronic shift on the fly, streaming video feed rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional grade tool. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Are you speaking Deacon? Visit Deacon Jones Chevrolet Buick GMC Cadillac today. Give us a call at 800-952-9354.